In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable a screenshot button on navbar on any Android phone. Open the Play Store, search here, find lock, open this application and install it. I have already installed this application, so I will simply open it. In the find log, here you will see Navstar in not installed app. Simply tap on it and install it. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Enable the Navstar by tapping on this toggle. Go in new configuration. Go in button layout. Go in add button. From here you can select the button. I am selecting screen capture. Now tap on done. Tap on save. Now select that configuration from here. Now let's check it out. As you can see, I have a screenshot button in my navbar. I will simply tap on it. As you can see, a screenshot is captured. So this is how you can enable a screenshot button on navbar in any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.